Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous tutorial, we learnt about companion objects apply method and how to use this method to create factory pattern. Moving forward in this tutorial, we will learn about companion objects, fields and values. So let me create a new class. Let's call it Scala companion fields. Select object and press enter. Let's extend it with app trait. Let's use the same smartphone class, and also we will define a field here called color and let the default value be black. Let's instantiate it. Val Apple smartphone equal to new smartphone. Brand is Apple. Model is iPhone 11 and price is 70,000 INR. Now let's print the print function and the field color. So Apple smartphone.print and Apple smartphone.color. Till here everything is fine. But what if we define this field as private? We will get an error. This is because private fields are not accessible outside the class definition. But this doesn't stand true for companion objects. We can access the private fields of class in companion objects. Let's see how. So object smartphone, and let's copy this code here. Now we are not getting any error for this private field. Let's also try to access private field of smartphone companion object in the companion class. So let's define a field here. Let's say val capacity is 64 GB and let's this field be private. Let's try to access it in the print function. So comma smartphone capacity, we'll say $. Now no need to create instance because this is a singleton object and we cannot instantiate it further. So we can call it directly as smartphone dot capacity. So in this video we learned that the companion object and companion class pair can access each other's private fields. That's all for this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.